Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen and lock screen magazine. Let's tap. Then in the personalization we have to tap on set wallpaper, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so static wallpapers and live wallpapers, both are pre-installed on this device, or our own photos. So let me choose something from the static wallpapers, and as you can see, as I said, here we've got the system built-ins, but here we've got free wallpapers which are available online, so you can choose something from those options which are really pretty, or even open the theme store and enter the wallpaper section to find some more wallpapers which are really interesting. So let me choose something maybe quickly from those options, and of course I have a problem here as always. So, alright, maybe let me choose this one. So just tap on the specific wallpaper, and if you like it, simply tap on download. Now let's tap on apply and tap on set as. Here you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.